Hey folks, this is Priyansh from the DevRel team of CustomGPT.ai, and in this video we're going to see how you can make a Slack AI bot integration using CustomGPT's RAG APIs. So basically what you see on the screen is a screenshot of what's already implemented, which I'm going to show you how you can also do it yourself. It's really easy. So just let me skip. You can read these features. What are those? The prerequisites. You don't need Python. Well, basically let me tell you upfront, because we won't be going to use the traditional Python deployment method because it's a bit tedious and you might need to set up some ngrok, you need some server URL and stuff like that. Instead, we'll be using Google App Script deployment. So if you might not have heard it, Google's App Script is a like serverless backend which is completely free. It supports up to like 20,000 requests per day. So if you do not have a major requirements, it's basically like very reliable. I've been using this for over a year for my small projects and welcome bots. So basically the Slack welcome bot that you see when you join our custom GPT, like this welcome bot that you see, hey, welcome to community, I'm Priyansh, your community manager. This message is also being sent from the code that is hosted on Google's App Script. So it says this is an automated message, but I'm a real person. So let me show you how I did this by using the script.google.com. So you can read the instructions here. You can read how to enable event subscription, step-by-step guide to setting up the Slack app. But let me exactly show you what I mean here. So this is the basic Google App Script, which you can go to, like just Google App Script, and you should be getting this screen. When you go to this screen, just go and click on Start Scripting, and you will get a project, create one project. I have named it as a custom GPT Slack bot, and this is the code that you need to just copy paste in. Have these environment variables. So which all variables I mean for that is you will need just let me go back to inside Slackbot you will see Google App Script folder, and it has readme. Just close your eyes, follow this readme end to end, and you will be good to go. Everything will be up and set up. How to set properties, how to add code, where to add code. So you basically will be needing Slack bot token, Slack signing secret, custom GPT's API key, and custom GPT's project ID. So how you can get this custom GPT API key is just going to app.customgpt.ai. So I just open up this agent and I can go to deploy section of this, and you will find the agent ID over top right section. Or you can also go to developers section. You will be getting API, and you can click a new API for yourself. So you'll be needing this. So let's head back, and where were we? Yep. So the code for this will all be present inside this code.js files. You just have to copy paste it. You can refer it, of course. This is just normal boilerplate code on how to send messages, get messages back. So let me show you a deployed version of this which actually works. So let me go to so this is my personal channel I just created on Slack to just test out this bot. So let me go to new channel, and I can write, hey custom GPT, hey, how are you? And it will reply to me inside the thread of this particular message. So I'll just wait for 1 second. It replied. It says thinking currently, like okay, it says I don't have answer for that, please email for proper support. Let me try one more time, because custom GPT, hey, how are you? So if you see like error like that, you might want to check if you have the correct agent ID, or if you are using a previous installation. It says thinking again, and hey, I'm here to help, how can I assist you with custom GPT integration, blah blah blah. So this channel has this custom GPT Slack bot like from like past month, and then I have made a lot of changes. That's why it says sorry, I don't have an answer for this, but it will still answer if there are any issues with that. So now if I say, oh, that's great to hear. So you don't have to again and again mention custom GPT's bot, like hey custom GPT blah blah blah. If it's mentioned once, it will keep on answering about it in the thread as well. So that's if you add it to a channel, public channel or private channel. You can also text it via DMs. So this is basically the tests I was doing. So let's try again. Hey, how are you? And you can ask like proper questions to it. I don't want to just waste time in this video asking longer questions. It says thinking, and yeah, I'm here to assist with integrations. How can I help you today? You know, ask longer questions about your project's information, and it will do the same. We also have a no code solution for this, which you can find on our website on integrations, but this is the coded way of doing it in case you want a more finer control on things. So that's why we created this for you. So let me go back, and yeah, if you go to api.slack.com/apps, this is my bot name, and this is the credentials that you need to have some event subscription on. You need to subscribe to some bot events. You need to subscribe to, okay, you don't need to subscribe to events on behalf of users. You need to do this in case you want to send messages impersonating a person. So the way I have is, it sends message from my name to the newly welcomed users, but in the demo I showed you, it's sending messages from a bot account. So that's the difference. If you want a real person's face to send messages, you might need to subscribe to events on behalf of users. And what all other things you need to customize or set up is entirely present in the deployment section. Yes, you should need to go to this URL, choose from scratch, enter, click on create app, which all bot token scopes you need to mention, how to enable event subscription. Everything is present here. You just have to follow this guide end to end and you'll be done. So that's the basic overview of the Slack bot. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you next time.